Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. Now I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth headset with the T74w. Hit that menu button again, and we want to go to basic again. So we're going to toggle to the right and one down and hit basic. There you go. Now we want to go to number 6, so you can hit 6 on the dial pad or scroll down to Bluetooth. Hit that middle button and hit the right button to turn it on. Now hit save. Now if you've already paired a device, you'll see it there on the screen, but if not, you can hit scan and it'll scan for your headset. But keep in mind, you might need to hit the Bluetooth toggle on your headset to send the signal to the phone so that the phone and the headset can be paired.